Time number 3?
This is round 3, right?
Round 3. Yeah.
First time, tried to go here for a fun day.
10 o'clock, we made it through the gates and that's it.
Through the gates, get some water, get some Powerade, and bam, right to the nurse's station. I felt like I was going to pass out. So we had to go to the hospital. They took us there nicely, and then I saw a doctor and he gave me some pills. I'm feeling a lot better. Not quite there yet, but getting a lot better.
Yeah.
And then number 2 came to Hollywood Studios.
Hoping for a bus too.
Hoping for a bus to the yacht club. And lo and behold, they don't do that. They do boats.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had to take a dumb boat to the yacht club.
Yeah.
And then
we almost blew up because we were so hot.
Yeah, we almost passed out again. But mostly you.
Yeah.
And then round 3, here we go. We're gonna go see if we can ride some rides and salvage our Hollywood Studios day.
Okay, where are we going?
Tower of Terror.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
What am I gonna do?
You're gonna go through the chicken exit.
Yep. You got
watch
it.
a video and go in the boiler room, but then
bye-bye.
Bye. Whoa, there it is. Scary, spooky. Look at it up there. It's got to be one of the best themed rides, eh? Yeah. Like just the area here like this. Imagine we were checking into the Hollywood Tower Hotel right now.
Cool.
The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right.
To supervise your children, thank you. Estimados huéspedes.
Right, this way to your room.
One of
Your room.
Ladies and gentlemen.
He's like, you can't scare me. Oh no. There it is.
You can actually
Ride
see
photo.
me this time.
Look at your little poncho. That's cute. Where are we going now? We're gonna go into this launch bay thing here. How about that? That Star Wars launch bay. Look at this, guys. Hi. Do you ever miss a shot?
That's a no, citizen.
Do you ever miss a shot?
Sorry, no.
That's good.
That is not your concern.
Uh-oh, now they're getting angry. Okay, I better keep
On
going.
your way.
Okay, yeah. Hey, he's got such a cool little place.